Hello, I'm Glam Queen of DIY, Tammy. In today's do-it-yourself video, I am going to show you how to style a elegant high-end blue and gold tablescape. That's a part of the Every Child Matters. If you want to see how I achieve this look, keep watching. I'm also going to be styling this little sidebar as well, so I'm just cleaning it right now, and I'm going to add in my decor to actually match my tablescape. I'm adding in a few Burlington pieces to make the space look elegant and beautiful, followed by those 3 candle holders that I actually thrifted. And this Every Child Matters collaboration is actually given to bring awareness to child abuse, child neglect, trafficking, incest, rape, all of the above. Now, the lovely styling with Miss Stacy reached out to several of us, and we're calling ourselves the Community Tribe for this collaboration. And this collaboration had several hosts, no co-hosts, and the Community Tribe that was hosting this Every Child Matters collaboration is Design and Style with Stacy, with Miss Stacy, DIY Designs by CCW, which is Candy, Glam Queen of DIY, which is Tammy, which is myself, Jazzy Green Decor Style, which is Liz, Debbie Boobles, Shoni on the Spot, Levels of Style with Sandra, and at Penny's Place. Please make sure you check out their links and what they are creating for this Every Child Matters. And again, we're trying to bring awareness to child abuse. I have that National Child Abuse Hotline down in the description. Child sexual abuse, domestic violence, human trafficking, mental illness, missing and abducted children, youth in trouble and runaway, suicide prevention, rape and incest, and substance abuse. If you know anyone that is suffering or dealing with any of these things, point them into the right direction of where they need to get help, or make sure that they find some useful information to bring awareness and help and aid to them as well. Now, after I cleaned my table, I started by layering it with those gold chargers, and I followed that by layering my table with those blue plates. Next, I'm layering my table with that gold knife and fork, and they have that metal hammered look to them. They are truly gorgeous. Next, I'm adding in my blue and gold vases, and I'm going to actually add them at the top portion of this triangle table. I'm telling you guys, I have been having fun styling and adding different decor to this triangle table. You'll be on the lookout for the upcoming videos. I also added in my gold DIY vase to add more style and elegance to my table that's coming together beautifully. Now I'm going to just add in my water glasses first. Followed by my DIY champagne shoots. And then my gold wine glasses, and I'm also adding the clear. I'm doing 2 of each. Now I'm using my Z Gallery napkin ring and my napkin, and that is a blue and white checked napkin. And to everyone, when you're styling your table, always style your table your way. There's never ever a right or wrong way for you to style your table in your home. And I'm going to repeat this for all 4 of the plate settings. Now this is my completed elegant high-end blue and gold tablescape, and I'm going to just let you just do a pan around view of what the space looks like, along with that little sidebar to the side. Please don't forget to check out the community tribe videos. Also, please make sure you do check that description box for the child welfare information. Now I'm going to tell you how I styled my table with these 2 blue and gold vases that I actually purchased from my local Roses for $1.99. You have to make sure you check out Piece of the Pie to see where a lot of items are purchased from. This gold vase is actually a upcycle vase from Burlington that I glittered. The water glass, is from Dollar Tree. That wine glass is from Dollar Tree. The champagne shoot is from Dollar Tree, and it's just an upcycle DIY that I created. My silverware is from Ollie's, a $3.99 fine. That charger, that plate, and that napkin are also from Dollar Tree. Look at the details on that vase. And also those picks are from Roses. Now, my napkin ring is actually from Z Gallery. And as you can see, I have been styling my plate settings the same. It's something that I normally style the heads separate, but be on the lookout because we have a few tablescapes coming with the twist that I think you may enjoy. I want to thank you, Miss Stacy, for reaching out to me and asking me to participate in this collaboration with you. It was for a wonderful cause. Thank you, and thank you to the other community tribe for also joining in and helping. And if you've been rocking with me for a while, you know your girl can't close out without letting you know to always, always, always be positive so you can remain productive and stay positioned to make your next move your best move. I'll see every one of you in another upcoming video. Bye everyone, stay blessed and always stay positive.